The strength of the Campo Judiciary, or the strength there is that most of the striking techniques are intended to hit high priority targets, and the high priority targets are parts of the body of the attacker, and the purpose of that is to neutralize, to stop the aggression as soon as possible. So the system avoided stick-to-stick contact. It is only a contact with the stick of the defender, of judicial practitioner, and with striking high priority targets of the attacker. The Campo Judiciario, but for a practitioner, if he will not be able to internalize, understand the system very well, the principles and practice, then it will not serve him well. As I have said, the strike is intended almost 100% to hit high priority targets. So I have studied with Master Fernando Candawan, with my teacher Manong Billy Baclo, and my uncle. The striking system there is 50% with the stick against the stick of the attacker, that is during deflecting or blocking the stick, and 50% is striking the body. Whereas in the Campo Judiciario, we avoid, if possible, blocking or striking contact with the stick of the attacker. So most of the strikes should be intended to hit the high priority targets, which is parts of the body of the attacker, with the purpose of stopping the confrontation right away.